Alright guys, so let's see here. Got the trusty scissors. Let's open her up. Let's see here. Dude, I am so excited. So, in actuality, thank you to Armando, my tuner, aka Relentless Tuner. He actually showed me these wheels. He's a little mad. I kind of bought them. Sorry, Armando. I liked them. He should have showed me them. Anyways, this is actually... Oh shit, that's tight. This is actually, believe it or not, my first time actually buying a set of wheels. Every car I bought just never came around to buying it. I always got rid of the car. But first wheels are drive wheels. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, let's see here. Ooh, look at this. Plastic. Really take care of the wheels here. They really packaged it up, didn't they, on this one? Pop this off. Protective ring. Oh shit. Ooh. They really take care of the wheels. They pack it on this one. I'm actually surprised. Holy shit. Alright. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh, let's see here. Take it out of the box. Oh my god. And in case you didn't hear me in the beginning, this is a 17 by 10. I am planning on going with a, I believe it's a 28 by 11.5 bias supply ET Street R. So should be good for the track. Maybe not so much for the street, but nah, we'll see what it does. We'll have some fun still. We ain't afraid of boogie. Let me get the other wheel out really quick. Oh my god. Alright guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, I am so excited for this. Alright, so I'm excited. The first part of the video you guys saw, I've actually had the wheels for a while. For some reason, I don't know why the tires kept being on back order. But my tires have gotten here. I'm pretty fucking excited. I'm actually going to get them balanced. I actually have like a few minutes to go get them balanced, but I am going to just go get them done really quick, and just so I have them, I'm not going to wait or anything. Let's see really quick. Oh, look at that. Yes. 28 by 11.5 by 17. Mickey Thompson ET Street R bias. Bias plus. So, yes, I am excited. I can't wait. These aren't going to really be on the street. These are going to be more of my track tire. But I am excited. So let's go run over there to tire shop and go get them all balanced and mounted. And from there, right? Alright guys, so I didn't get a video of me mounting the tires up, but this is what they look like on the car. Honestly, they look fucking awesome. 17 by 10 and a Mickey Thompson ET Street R bias, 28 by 11.5, 17. People complain about this tire a lot, like, oh, it has a lot of sway, sketchy, blah blah blah. Honestly, I felt the sway, but it honestly wasn't that bad. It's mainly gonna be for the track. But no, this wheel and tire, honestly, sway, it wasn't bad. I mean, honestly sits pretty good. I am on an SNR spring on these wheels and tires. It actually sits pretty good, as if you can see right here. Perfect enough. I had a spacer on the other wheel, but it actually sits pretty good. It actually tucks in. But yeah, this is my new tire setup. Honestly, with this tire setup, I actually like the way the car looks. It's actually not that bad. We'll see you guys. Alright, later.